So, you run a small business, and you've probably thought about doing some marketing to improve sales, but you've got no time to study all the boring stuff. No worries, it is our job to take complete care of you. Introducing SoLoMo, a comprehensive marketing solution for local businesses. SoLoMo stands for Social, Local, Mobile. The following example says it all. This is John. He runs a small but cozy pizza place. The first thing we've done for John's business is a website primarily optimized for smartphones. Why? Because searching and browsing the internet is done primarily on mobile devices nowadays. A desktop version is still important, but going mobile first is crucial if you don't want to lose any potential clients. We've also optimized the site for local searches, aka local SEO. Thanks to GPS and other positioning technologies, if anyone with a smartphone searches for pizza somewhere near John's place, his site will appear in the top results, together with a map, distance, and exact address. Finally, we've set up accounts on multiple social networks. People can now share statuses, pictures, reviews, and tag John's Pizzeria in them. So, customers themselves naturally create content and spread awareness of John's business with no additional costs involved. Social media also provides a great source of feedback and serves as a valuable communication platform. All these factors are reflected by search engines increasing the search rank even more. So, there you have it. Social, local, mobile. It's all interconnected in a basic, affordable, but very effective strategy for local businesses. With our help, you can easily make it yours. Contact us today.